Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Tasha Fierce, and today I will be talking about my favorite things from my past IPSY bag subscription. As you know from my last video, I am no longer subscribing to IPSY, but I just wanted to talk about the products that I got, what was my favorite, and all that fun stuff, because I have moved on to a different subscription. I'm just trying everything, trying new makeup and new items that maybe I didn't really think about trying. So with IPSY, I feel like it was a lot of little bits and pieces of different makeup and everything together because I got a year subscription. So everything together, I definitely could make a look out of it. Maybe not necessarily each month getting the product and putting a look together. That wasn't always the thing. It was bits and pieces. I think after maybe 3 months I got enough to like make a look. These pieces, I can't actually remember which month it was, but if you want to go look, I have some videos and I'll link a video up here and you can go back or just go to my channel and check it out. So there's a lot of products that I got. I'm gonna talk about a few. So let's go. So this was from the month that did the Tetris thing, which also was my favorite physical bag. It's green and it's the zigzag piece, which is actually my favorite Tetris piece. So this is an eyeshadow and this is the color Block Party. I am actually wearing it right now above one of my other eyeshadows that I'll be talking about. I like this one because it's sparkly and gold. It's a champagne color, and the eye look that I did is very mellow. You know, sometimes I like to go nice and bold, but if I'm trying to do something regarding like work or something, I'm not trying to go, all out and get super glam, then this color is pretty good for that. Next is a dew pot in the color Utopia. I've tried this multiple ways. I've tried this as a highlighter. I've tried this as a liquid eyeshadow. I'm actually really bad at liquid highlighter things. I don't know if I put too much foundation on and then I put it on and then it just kind of wipes away. I honestly don't know how to use liquid highlighter. It's more of a, if I'm not gonna wear makeup, then I'll put that on, but I better hope that I don't have my sunglass tan or some sort of panda look going on, because it never really works out too well. I did try it today. Again, it's a bit iffy. I used it as a highlighter, so you can kind of see that gold and pink undertone. It's a really pretty color, and I think for me, because of my skin tone, I think I'll probably just use it as a highlighter on top of my skin alone until I figure out how to use liquid highlighter. All right, the next product is actually probably my favorite blush of all my blushes. I don't have that many just because I like being tan and I don't necessarily like to add that, oh look, I'm a living being blood flush. But I have this one and then I have like a Mary Kay blush. But this one is Pixie by Petra and it's the color Peach Parfait. And this is a pink color with also highlighter. Gold flecks, which is actually similar to the dew pot I just used. So one's liquid, one's powder. I really like them. That's what I have on top, so that's probably what's adding that little bit more pink on top of my cheeks. Next is a Morphe bronzer in the color Debutante. So it's actually a lot. This is actually a pretty good sample size, and I haven't actually checked with Morphe to see if this color is still a thing. I have a Morphe palette and everything, and I have a Morphe setting powder, and I like them, and I really like this product. So when I run out, I hope that this color is still in because I like using it, and I don't really have exposed cheekbones. I kind of have like a round face, so magic. I like this one. Next is the eyeshadows that I'm actually using. Another IPSY product, and this is in Plum Lace. It's a duo, so each color isn't necessarily named, but I did that lighter pink color on top of my eyes, and then the dark, you can see that. And I really like this sort of duo. Maybe not so much this all the time, because I don't wear makeup that much, but when I do, I'm either plainish or I go all out. There's no in between. In between is I put sunglasses on. Congrats. Next is a Naked Cosmetics powder. Well, whoop, can't think. Naked Cosmetics powder eyeshadow, and this is in the color Painted Canyon. It is a dark purpley dust. So with this, I did a lot of learning. You kind of have to wet the brush, and it's a lot of packing, and you got to do it right. And this is not, if you don't know how to use powdered eyeshadow, this is not the product you use for the first time on a date. You'll take forever, and then you'll have to wipe your whole face off because you did something wrong. But once I got the gist of this, I really like it. And I like purple, obviously. And okay, going to another purple product. It is by Space Case Cosmetics, and this is another liquid type of eyeshadow, and it's called Alien Love Child. And I didn't want to put all my eyeshadows on to do this video, but this is gorgeous, and I would wear this. I wear this by itself, and then I put some thick eyeliner on, and it's beautiful. I love it. And I can't screw it back on. Okay, there we go. Next is Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. So this color is a little bit too light for my skin. Maybe in the winter, if I don't keep my tan, I would use this. This is in light medium. I actually went and bought a full-size one, which this is in the color Medium Honey 35H. So IPSY bag, I got something that I really liked, and I went to go buy the full-size product. So that's a plus. And that's kind of what I was doing with the IPSY bag, to be like, hey, you know, what products do I like? What would I actually buy in real life? Next is this adorable mascara called Lash Alert Mascara Wake Up and Go by IPSY, which, no, okay. I also have a new subscription for the No Make and No Life, and I thought this was one of the mascaras I got in it, but it wasn't. But this I really like, and I haven't actually found this in a store. I'm probably not looking hard enough, but I really like it, and that's what I'm wearing right now. Now that I've discovered lashes, and I found some that I really like, they're called the Unicorn Gang Shop. Love them. I don't wear that much mascara that much because boom, I wear those lashes. But again, if I'm doing something that doesn't involve me getting super glam, like kind of like this look, maybe less with the cheek thing going on, I'ma pop this on. I like it. Next is this adorable highlighter by OFRA, Madison Miller. And oh, it's probably pronounced Ofra. And this is highlighter in the color Sea Shimmer. So I also use this powder on top, just like I've said in multiple videos. I love highlighter, I love shiny things, I love sparkle. Nose, kind of up in here, over here. And I've used this on glam looks that I've done, and it's kind of like a whiter highlighter, not like gold, because I kind of tend to go for more of the gold than the white, but I really like this on certain looks. Maybe not with darker eye shadow things going on, maybe with lighter, just to, so it's not a weird balancing act. And then the next product is also from Ofra, and it's a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Versailles. That's actually what I'm wearing now. Again, it looks gold in the package, but then when you put it on, it's a little whiter. So this might also depend on your actual lip color, on how well the gold shows. Because if you see that, okay, let's focus. Okay, it's not really focusing, but it's like brown, but it also has a lot of white fleck, so silver fleck. So that's probably why on my lips, because my lips are probably closer to the base color, more of the silver fleck shows up. Okay, another product that I used is this Brio Geo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask for your hair. So I go swimming a lot. I don't know how many times I've mentioned that. I probably mention it a lot. I go swimming a lot. I don't really wear a swim cap because I don't, but this product, after coming from the pool and washing my hair and putting this on, my hair does not hate me, and it's moist. And I didn't use it today. Yesterday I did, and afterwards my hair is just kind of like, okay, I forgive you for swimming in that chlorine. All right, so the last three products are not necessarily makeup, but they're like beauty products. So this one is Apto Skincare Balancing Mask in Chlorea and green tea. So I like this. It smells really good, but it's literally green on your face. When I used this, it wasn't too, I didn't feel like it was a lot of exfoliating like it says. I feel like it just kind of sat on my face, and it made my face feel a little bit cleaner. I did use it right after I got out of the shower, so my face was technically clean, but I used this and then afterwards wiped it off, put some toner on, and my face felt really, really smooth, and I really liked it. Another product, which I have actually used this brand before getting the IPSY bag, called Ahava. I think that's how it's pronounced. It's from the Dead Sea, and this is a purifying mask. So I've used this brand before. It's probably the same product, just renamed, but this one definitely has more of the exfoliating like mud. And so this one I've seen in the stores, a little bit expensive, but this has that exfoliating mud clay feel. And let me just throw it all on the floor. And the final product is Hemp's Pearl Pure Herbal Extract Lip Moisturizer Lip Balm. I really like this. My lips get dry where I live. It's pretty hot and windy. And this product is really good, very soft. The moisture lasts pretty much all day. And then the other product from Hemp's that I also got was, oh my, a lotion. So this lotion is sweet pineapple and honey melon. And normally I don't really like the smell of pineapple, but this one smells pretty, it smells pretty good. Kind of also reminds me of margaritas, but it's really good and it's very moisturizing to my skin. And I'm very oily, so moisturize, the way oily skin works is you have to moisturize, because then your skin's just gonna make more oil to moisturize what you don't have, if that makes sense. So this is really good for that. Not on my face. I have to use something else on my face. But I have seen this product. This product, you can actually buy this size at the store. So I thought that was pretty cool. You know, put it in your purse or whatever. Great size. And then the actual bigger size, I saw that in the store too. So probably when I run out of this, I'll go buy that one as well because it smells awesome. It works really well. And I really, really like it. So those are the majority of the products that I liked. Some of them I actually went out and bought the actual product, like a full-size product. So my goal with IPSY was to find new things, try new things, see if I like it, buy it. Because sometimes, you know, you go to the store and you buy makeup and it's just not what you wanted. And you spent all this money and now you're disappointed. And IPSY is probably the cheapest subscription out there. So if you are wanting to buy a bunch of you don't want to buy a bunch of products, but you want to have like a subscription where you can get a bunch of products, trial size products, try them out, and in each card that you get in the bag, it describes the product and the full name, and then you can probably just look it up and find it somewhere else. I think the only downfall for most people is that you get a bunch of these little products that you either love, hate, or don't use, and it just clutters your space. So it's kind of like a give or take. Like, what do you want to do? For me, if it's a product I don't like, I can throw it away. It's not that big deal, or I give it to a friend. And then the other issue people probably have is the fact that you now have a bunch of little bags. Since I did the year subscription, I have 12 little bags. But that doesn't bother me because I use bags for anything. Like, I have a bag that I use for liquid eye stuff. I have a bag that I use in my backpack for, you know, vitamin products. I have another bag that I use for my purse for like storing some of my travel makeup, like lipstick and stuff like that. So for me, I like little bags. I like little compartments and I like to put them in stuff. So for me, it doesn't bother me. It might bother you if you don't want a bunch of bags, but if you have like children around, like little girls or little boys that like to stick their little toys and things, give them some bags. Like, most of them, they're not really, I mean, there's pink on the inside, but they're not that gender whatever, you know, if you're worried about that. But bags can hold things. So that's what I like about it. But that was everything. Most of all the products that I like. I still have a bunch more in this bag that I like, but some of them I didn't want to open because I already have a product of my own stuff, so I didn't open that one. Like eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, I don't like opening that because if I already have one open, I don't want to open another one and it'll dry out and whatever. But that is everything. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Comment down below what you didn't like. If you have an IPSY bag, comment your favorite item or bag or things like that. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!